Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to automatically play audio in Google Slides. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, you'll need to open your Google Drive and upload your audio here. So I'm going to uploading my audio file. So here's the audio I want to insert to my Google Slides. And as you can see, the audio has been uploaded, and now I'm going to open in my Google Slides and I'm clicking on insert audio and I'm selecting my audio here. Select, and here we can see the audio has been added, and now I'm right clicking on this volume icon and I'm clicking on format options and start playing. All you have to do is just select here automatically, and you can customize these 3 options. You can stop on slide change, you can enable and disable these options. I'm going to disabling this option. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.